Tonight, I get to sleep in a treehouse. It's a beautiful property down in the southern part of Costa Rica on the Peninsula. And I'm going to get there by driving from San Jose. It's only 5 hours, and by doing so, I get to stop at the beaches in Yaco and the National Park in Manuel Antonio, and then I get down here. You can also take a quick hop flight from San Jose, only 40 minutes straight to Puerto Jimenez. But either way, Puerto Jimenez is the hopping off point. And from there, you're going to go straight to the treehouse. So 3 things you need to know before you leave Puerto Jimenez. Number 1 is stop and get cash, because this is the last ATM cowboy on the Peninsula, and all of the guides and restaurants, they only take cash. Number 2 is make sure you stop and get provisions, because you're going to want treats for sundown tonight and also things for dinner and breakfast. All right, and number 3, make sure you have a 4-wheel drive, because, well, you're going to find out in a minute. Do you ever land somewhere and look around and say to yourself, can this be real? That's how I feel tonight here at this treehouse. I finally arrived, and I am making a little welcome sundowner to thank the caretaker who got me in and all settled. And just check out this place. It's unbelievable. The hand-carved table, carved from wood from the forest. The view of the sea right here, right from my kitchen. So this is an amazing way to wake up in the morning. There's my view. Yep. Right from my bed. This might be TMI, but here I am in my shower at the treehouse, and check out that view from my shower. Oh my gosh, it's unbelievable, and it's all open air. This, my friends, is the Puerto Jimenez Airport. It doesn't look like much, but it does the job. Nature, air, and Sansa both go in and out of here. Part of the adventure in the Osa is getting in and out. Back to San Jose. Pura vida. Here we go.